Welcome back, everyone. I am the magician. Today, we will continue learning words with the long E sound. But first, let's review some words we learned in the last unit. What's this word here? Right, me. Yes, you talk about yourself, you say me. Let's do another. What's the word? Here. Yes, when you talk about where you are, I am here. One more word. What's the word here? City. Yes, a large place where people live. A city. Okay, great job. You remember words with the long E sound. So you're ready to continue with Amazing Phonics. Ready? Amazing Phonics, go! First, let's review the long E sound. Remember, the short E makes E, but the long E makes E. Look carefully at my mouth. E, E. Let's try it together. E, E. Great job. Guess the words. Oh, what is it? P. Yes, very good. What is it? B. You're right. Excellent job. It's simple and easy. Do you want to learn some more words? Okay. E, E, long E, 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 long E, 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 eat, E, leaf, E, pea, E, week, eat, leaf, pea, week. Okay. Now, let's practice these words together. What's this word here? Eat. Nice job. Make sure you get the T. Eat. This is when we eat food. What about this word? Leaf. Great job. A leaf is part of a tree. What about this word? Pea. Nice job. Not the letter P. P-E-A is a vegetable, a plant. One more word. What's the word? Weak. Yes, not strong, but very weak. All right, nice job. Let's learn more. E, E, long E, 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 long E, E, B, E, need, E, seed, E, tree, B, need, seed, tree. All right. Now, let's practice these words together. What's this word here? B. Yes, not the letter B, but an insect. A, B. Let's do another. What's the word? Need. Very good. Something we need. We have to have it. We need it. Nice work. What about this word? Seed. Yes, make sure you have the D, not C. Seed. Something very small that grows into a plant. Let's do one more. What's the word? Tree. Excellent job. So you see all these words have E-E. Great job today, everyone. Let's review. We learned more about the long E sound. We learned words with E-A. Eat, leaf, pea, week. We also learned more words with E-E. Bee, need, seed, tree. Great work today, everyone! You're doing wonderfully. Now, you know lots of words with the long E sound. Remember the sound it makes. E, E. So now you can read and learn words with the long E sound. So have fun learning, and I'll see you next time!